Here you go, CNC Group Break number 4018. We are starting with the 13-14 Select and Titanium. All right, we start with a Fire and Ice for the Minnesota Wild, Mikael Granlund. And a refractor for the Jets of Evander Kane. Rookie for the Hurricanes, John Muse. We've got a rookie autograph, number 399 for the Carolina Hurricanes, Michael Jordan. Refractor for the Capitals, Braden Holtby. Select Future for the Dallas Stars, Jack Campbell. And a rookie for the Capitals, Steve Alexi. And we've got a Select Signatures for the Anaheim Ducks, Timo Pielmeyer. All right, on to the Titanium. Game Year Jersey for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Pat Falloon. Game Year Jersey for the Dallas Stars, Daryl Sador. Metallic Marks Bronze autograph for the Detroit Red Wings, Riley Sheahan. Drinky Wiggy. And we've got a rookie card, numbered 64 of 91 for the St. Louis Blues, Vladimir Tarasenko. The Tarasenko Show rookie card out of 91 for the Blues. Game Year Jersey for the Detroit Red Wings, Michael Samuelson. And we've got a Titanium Reserve Auto for the Calgary Flames, Max Reinhart. All right. Coming up next, Anthology of Draft Prospects.